Welcome to the best pick. The best Utz Sourdough Pretzels is probably one of the most satisfyingly crunchy and tangy snacks you can find, offering a delightful twist on the classic pretzel experience with its distinctive sourdough flavor that perfectly balances a subtle sourness with a satisfyingly salty crunch, making them an irresistible choice for any pretzel lover seeking a unique and delicious snacking adventure that will keep you reaching for more with every bite. Number 5. Utz Sourdough Nuggets Pretzels. Introducing Utz Sourdough Nuggets Pretzels, a delicious snack perfect for any occasion. Enjoy the classic sourdough flavor in every bite. These bite-sized pretzels are crafted for easy snacking. Their satisfying crunch makes them an irresistible treat. Experience the authentic taste of sourdough with every pretzel. It's a flavor that never disappoints. Each pretzel is perfectly salted to enhance its delightful flavor. You'll love the balance of taste and crunch. Enjoy guilt-free snacking as these pretzels contain 0 cholesterol per serving. They are a wholesome choice for everyone. This generous 52-ounce barrel ensures there's plenty to share with family and friends. It's ideal for parties or stocking up your pantry. What we like. These bite-sized nuggets offer a classic sourdough flavor that's perfectly salted. If you're looking for a shareable snack in a large quantity, this is a great choice for parties or stocking up. Its convenient barrel packaging makes it easy to serve and store. What people say. They are. And maybe even better given the price was so much lower. The Utz brand pretzels are as good as I have ever had. They are fresh and crunchy. Classic crunchy sourdough pretzels in a great value 2-pack barrel. Perfect for snacking and parties. Number 4. Utz Sourdough Specials Original Pretzels 63-ounce barrel. Discover the satisfying crunch of our classic pretzel knot. Each piece is crafted with a rich sourdough flavor that's truly irresistible. Indulge in the deep, authentic sourdough taste that sets these pretzels apart. It's a flavor that's both bold and comforting. Planning a party? These pretzels are the ideal snack to share with guests. Their classic taste is a crowd pleaser for any occasion. Keep your pretzels fresh with our convenient resealable barrel. It's designed for easy access and perfect for storing leftovers. Enjoy a delicious snack without the worry. These pretzels offer all the great taste you love with 0 cholesterol. Taste the difference that quality ingredients and classic baking make. It's a pretzel experience you won't forget. What we like. Enjoy the rich sourdough flavor in a traditional pretzel knot shape. The resealable container keeps them fresh, making them ideal for ongoing snacking. If you prefer a classic pretzel shape and want to maintain freshness over time, this option is perfect for your pantry. What people say. The sourdough flavor is excellent, with a satisfying crunch that makes them hard to put down. These pretzels have a perfect balance of tanginess and saltiness, making them a great snack for any occasion. The thick, twisted shape of the pretzels ensures a substantial bite and holds up well to dips. Number 3. UTZ of Hanover Sourdough Pretzel Nuggets. Introducing UTZ of Hanover Sourdough Pretzel Nuggets. These bite-sized pretzels offer a satisfying crunch and a tangy sourdough flavor. They are perfect for any snacking occasion. Experience the unique taste of sourdough with every bite. The tangy flavor profile is a delightful twist on a classic snack. You'll love the irresistible taste. These pretzel nuggets are perfectly sized for easy snacking. Their convenient shape makes them ideal for dipping or enjoying by the handful. Grab a bag and enjoy. Whether you're at a party or enjoying a quiet evening, these pretzels are a crowd pleaser. Their delicious taste makes them perfect for sharing with friends and family. You won't want to miss out. Discover your new go-to snack with UTZ of Hanover Sourdough Pretzel Nuggets. Their unique flavor and satisfying crunch will keep you coming back for more. Treat yourself today. What we like. These sourdough pretzel nuggets provide a satisfying crunch and tangy flavor. If you need a smaller, more portable option for on-the-go snacking or individual portions, this 16-ounce bag is ideal. It's perfect for lunches or a quick snack without committing to a larger size. What people say. Bite-sized pretzel nuggets are one of our favorites. Not too salty. Not as big a bag as I thought. Number 2. GARDETTO'S Original Recipe Snack Mix. Introducing GARDETTO'S original recipe snack mix, a delicious blend of your favorite crunchy snacks. Perfect for any occasion, it's a satisfying treat for everyone. Experience the unique combination of crunchy breadsticks, savory pretzels, and roasted rye chips. Each bite offers a delightful mix of textures and tastes. Our multipack contains 10 single-serve bags, ensuring maximum freshness and convenience. They are individually wrapped, making them ideal for on-the-go snacking or packing in lunches. This bulk box is perfect for parties, family gatherings, or simply stocking up your pantry. It's the ideal snack solution for sharing with loved ones. Enjoy this kosher snack mix, made with quality ingredients. It's a wholesome choice that fits your dietary needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for a midday snack or something to share, this snack mix is sure to satisfy. Grab a bag and enjoy the classic GARDETTO'S taste. What we like. This is a unique variety snack mix with crunchy breadsticks, pretzels, and rye chips. If you enjoy a mix of flavors and textures in one bag, this is for you. The individually wrapped bags make it perfect for on-the-go lunches, picnics, or portion-controlled snacking. What people say. Fresh and crispy. The mix is flavorful without being too salty, and the variety of textures keeps every bite interesting. Makes a quick snack without overeating. Bag is big enough to satisfy. Number 1. SNYDER'S of Hanover Sourdough Hard Pretzels. Experience the satisfying crunch of our classic sourdough hard pretzels. Baked to perfection, they offer a timeless snacking experience. Enjoy the rich, authentic flavor that only sourdough can provide. These pretzels are crafted for a truly distinctive taste. Our hard pretzels are baked to an ideal crispness, ensuring a delightful texture with every bite. They are the perfect snack for any occasion. This generous 16-ounce bag is packed with your favorite pretzels. Plenty to share, or to keep all to yourself. Reach for the ultimate pretzel snack when you crave something delicious and satisfying. They are a crowd pleaser for all ages. What we like. Experience the satisfying crunch of these sourdough hard pretzels. If you appreciate a straightforward, classic pretzel taste with a robust texture, this is an excellent pick. They are perfect for dipping or enjoying on their own when you want a no-fuss, flavorful snack. What people say. These pretzels are always a hit, crispy, salty, and full of flavor. Great for snacking or putting out for guests. The snap size makes them easy to grab and enjoy. Overall, fresh, crunchy, and hard to stop eating. These are excellent snacks. Always fresh with a good crunch. They certainly do not have a lack of flavor, in fact they taste great and are my favorite snacks. The pretzels themselves are the classic SNYDER'S flavor, crispy, salty, and addictive in that just one more handful way. Perfect for snacking, dipping, or pretending you're only going to eat a few. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.